Have you ever started a new job and felt totally lost? Like you don't even know where to begin with the task in front of you? Don't worry, you're not alone. Whether you're brand new or even a seasoned pro, we all face moments where the workload feels overwhelming. That's exactly why today's video is going to be a game changer for you. I'm going to share a powerful ChatGPT template prompts that will guide you step by step through any task at work. Whether it's planning a social media campaign, managing a big project, or just getting clarity on where to start. Trust me, this will save you hours of stress and help you like a pro even on your very first day. And here's the bonus. When you subscribe, hit the like button and drop a comment saying send prompt list. I'll send you my exclusive list 20 plus ready to use prompts that every professional needs to navigate work smarter and faster. Plus, if you want to dive even deeper, you can check out my full course on Udemy, packed with practical strategies and advanced prompt techniques to boost your productivity at work in your business life. So stick around because by the end of the video, you will know exactly how to turn ChatGPT in your personal work coach. Let's begin. Imagine you've just started a new job, but you lack experience. You have been given a task, but you're not sure exactly what to do. You're not sure where to begin or how to tackle tasks effectively. But don't worry, this is normal. In this case, this prompt will really come in handy. Assume your new role, pose your specific question, and ChatGPT will provide you with a step-by-step approach. It will navigate your task while providing you with a very important insights. Even experienced professionals encounter challenges. Tasks can get complicated with tight deadlines and many responsibilities. With this prompt, ChatGPT will optimize the process and help you make informed decisions. The purpose of this prompt is to provide guidance and tips to navigate tasks like a pro, whether you are a newbie or a seasoned professional. It aims to help streamline projects, save time, and make informed decisions to manage work overload more efficiently. Let me show you how to use this template prompt. In the role section of the template, you will write the position you are applying for, or your current position at work. Additionally, in the specific question section, you will write what you want to inquire about. When you are new in the office, tasks can feel stressful. But completing assignment well not only earns respect, but also boosts confidence. To achieve tasks effectively in less time, a structured plan is always essential. Let's imagine you are new at a marketing agency tasked with creating a social media campaign for a product launch. Feeling overwhelmed. So, you turn to ChatGPT for help using this prompt. Then let's demonstrate how to apply this template prompt by writing assigned position and the topic you want to address. Here's the prompt. I would like you to assume the role of an expert in marketing assistant and provide me with a detailed step-by-step plan for addressing, creating a social media campaign for a product launch. Feel free to include any relevant tips, best practice, or insights that could enhance the effectiveness of the plan. Here is our effective prompt. And ChatGPT is here with the most effective roadmap plan for an amazing social media campaign to make your product launch a success. Let's take a quick look at the step-by-step plan suggested by ChatGPT. Do you know your audience and goals? Define your audience, understand who they are, what they like, and what problem they face. Set clear goals. Decide what you want to achieve, like boosting new brand awareness or driving sales. Pick the right platform. Find out where your audience hang out online. Focus 2-3 platforms that align with your audience and goals. Plan your post. Map out what you'll share and when you share. Visuals. Use images, videos, and infographics to catch attention. Build excitement by teasing product feature or sharing behind the scene glimpses. Engage with your audience. Encourage them. Get users involved with challenges or sharing their experience. Collaborate with relevant influencers to expand your reach. Respond quickly to comment and message to keep the conversation going. Put your plan into action. Keep eye on the engagement, clicks, and conversation to see how you are going well. Adjust your strategy based on what's working and what's not better results. With the help of ChatGPT, you build confidence and deliver a success campaign, earn your team's recognition. This shows you ChatGPT helped the newcomers succeed in their workplace. Lastly, please find the attached file containing common tasks encountered by newcomers across the industries. I have listed some of them for your information. As you can see in the screen, you will find a list of 20 tasks. When you are using this template, these tasks can serve as a guide and assist you in utilizing this prompt effectively. These tasks represent common responsibilities across a range of professions and industries. They cover administrative duties, technical tasks, customer service, marketing, finance, design, project management, legal support, content creation, IT support, quality assurance, event planning, and so on. I hope this plan makes you planning easier when you're using this template prompt. We have just implemented this template prompt for inexperienced office workers. Now, let's try applying this template prompt for experienced office workers. If you are an experienced employee or a high-level manager in your business world and still incorporate these technologies like ChatGPT, you're probably wasting your time. Moreover, making tasks easier and keeping up with technology can make you more respected by coworkers. Therefore, it may be perfect time to start using ChatGPT. For example, as a construction manager, you oversee large-scale construction projects and coordinate construction activities. Your goal is to complete the project within the budget and schedule while maintaining high-quality standards, right? To achieve this goal, you can follow these steps. First, implement the template prompt according to your own preferences, objectives, or specific tasks. Then, simply ask ChatGPT for help and wait its response. Here is the example prompt for you. Hey ChatGPT, I want you to act as an expert in construction manager overseeing large-scale building projects and coordinating construction activities. Give me a step-by-step plan for ensuring project completion within a budget and schedule while maintaining high-quality standards. Feel free to include any relevant tips, best practice, or insight that could enhance the effectiveness of the plan. So, ChatGPT has provided us with an effective step-by-step plan. Now, as a manager, I can combine this smart plan with my knowledge and experience and implement it if necessary with adjustment. Let's take a look at the main step of the plan. Clear planning, team communication, vendor management, quality control, schedule management, cost control, risk management, stakeholder engagement, continuous improvement. These are the main steps to achieve success with this objective. Additionally, you can also pause the video and have a look at ChatGPT response and delve into steps in more detail. Let me quickly explain the detailed plan to you. Throughout the project planning, Set a clear goal or clear goals, scope and deliverables. Assess risk and create mitigation plan. Plan a realistic budget and timeline. Team building and communication. Gather a skilled team with defined roles. Keep communication open for collaboration. Hold regular meetings for updates and alignments. Okay, I don't want to waste your time, so you can pause the video and look at the detailed plan for yourself. Please remember, this detailed plan provides incredible ease and save time during the initial implementation and planning stages. However, your problem-solving experience, your adaptability and proactive problem-solving skills are key attributes in navigating this dynamic plan or any projects. So, that's how you can turn ChatGPT into your personal workplace coach, whether you're starting afresh or managing complex tasks. Remember, the key is not just working harder, but working smarter with the right tools. And before we go, don't forget I've put together a practical prompt list with 20 plus ready to use examples that will save you time and make your task so much easier. To get it, just subscribe to the channel, like the video and drop a comment saying send prompt list. I'll make sure you get it. Thanks for watching and we'll see you soon in the next one.